And news from the northeast now. In Assam, over 200 workers and staff members from at least 2 different tea gardens in Upper Assam have been found to be COVID positive in the past 3 days, forcing the district administration to declare it a containment zone. Over 150 people are positive at the Jaloni tea estate and 60 positive cases have been found in another tea estate.
डिब्रूगढ़ जिले में कल शाम तक 2135 एक्टिव केसेस थे। बहुत सारे लोग स्वस्थ होकर डिस्चार्ज भी हुए हैं और अभी तक अप्रैल के महीने में 23 डेथ्स हम लोगों ने हमारे ज़िले से फेस किया है। और जलोनी टी स्टेट जो है दुलियाजान टेंगाघाट एरिया में ऑलमोस्ट 15 to 20% का पॉजिटिविटी पिछले 7-8 दिन से आ रहा है। और जलोनी टी स्टेट में कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड का हम लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला। उसके तहत जो है उस चाय बागान को मैनेजमेंट, लेबर यूनियन सबके साथ बात करके कंटेनमेंट जोन डिक्लेयर किया गया है। वहाँ पे लगातार 5 दिनों से टेस्टिंग चल रही है। अभी तक 133 के करीब लोग जो हैं कल तक पॉजिटिव आए थे वहाँ पे। और वहाँ पे स्ट्रैटेजी भी हम लोगों का जो है चाय बागान के साथ के डिस्कशन के साथ हम लोगों ने बनाया है। कंटेनमेंट जोन बनाया है, सैनिटाइजेशन चल रहा है, टेस्टिंग चल रहा है। जो पॉजिटिव आ रहे हैं उनको आइसोलेट किया जा रहा है और जो नेगेटिव हैं उन लोगों का टेस्टिंग करके 45+ एज के जो हैं एलिजिबल वैक्सीनेशन के लिए उनको वैक्सीन भी दिया जा रहा है।
All right, let's go across to NDTV's Ratnadeep for more details. And Ratnadeep, a very worrying situation if just 2 tea gardens reporting over 200 cases of COVID.
That's right. This is a reason of worry for the government, given the fact that in the last 3 days, now 2 tea gardens in Upper Assam Dibrugarh district, which is a major tea hub, has reported these cases. We played out that soundbite of the Deputy Commissioner of the district. He said that there is, a doubts of community spread. Now, if there is community spread in tea garden areas, then it is going to be a massive challenge for the government. Given the fact that the tea garden workers, remember, they live in the labor lines where maintaining, higher standard of hygiene is really not very easy. These people are also very lowly paid, and they have to go out for work within the tea gardens. Although the tea gardens are isolated from the towns, and remember, these 2 tea gardens where the incidents have taken place are not very closer to major towns, but still the fact that the virus has reached there goes to show that the community has come in contact with somebody who has brought the virus from outside. And since the tea gardens are operating, all the other tea gardens, remember there are close to 800 tea gardens in Assam, lakhs of workers work there. So this is a major concern for the state government. In fact, the state government has reviewed the situation at the highest level. Chief Minister Sarvanand Sonowal has also reviewed the overall COVID situation in the state. So, Assam has been reporting more than 4,000 cases, in fact, close to 5,000 cases now per day. And in fact, yesterday was Assam reported the largest ever spike in this season. So it's clearly Assam's situation in terms of COVID is growing grim. And if there is further spread in the tea garden areas, this will come up as a major challenge for the government. In fact, in one of the affected tea gardens, already vaccination program has started. So in one phase, the government is trying to, do a proper contact tracing, trace out more people who have come in contact, and also extend the vaccination drive in the tea garden areas. But remember, there is shortage of jabs across the country, and in Assam also there is shortage of jabs. So this is the major challenge now for the government.
All right, Ratnadeep, thanks so much for joining us with all those details. So there you can see COVID spreading in tea gardens in Upper Assam.